Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your account settings on Roblox mobile, which means if you have recently installed Roblox mobile game and you do not have set your account settings. So how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Roblox mobile game app, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that it can be loaded. So here you have to click on three dots here, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of gear icon, which means settings. So here you have to simply click on. As you can see, there is a notification on my account info, which means I have to do some necessary setting for my account. So here are the account information or account settings which you have to do. So the first thing you have to do is you have to simply set a display name, and after that you have to simply set a username, and here you have to add your email address. After that you have to provide your password, and here you have to simply select your date of birth, and after that you can simply click on verify my age, and here you have to provide an ID so that you can verify your age. You can simply select your gender, and after that you can simply set your location and language, and also you can set here your theme for your app. And in this way you can also add your social networks profile, and you can simply click on save and your account settings will be saved. So in this way you can simply add all of the settings on Roblox mobile app. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.